Hey guys, Asher here with Custom Paintball Markers, here to test out this fully kitted out Tippmann X7 Phenom. I rebuilt this Phenom for a customer named Kevin. Thanks for sending it in and trusting me with the repair. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it on full auto and semi-auto just to show you how smooth it's running. It's got an 18-inch rifled hammerhead barrel with this suppressor on it that doesn't actually suppress. Got a 450 round hopper. Now it's spraying all over the place. That's because I'm walking. Now if I stand still, and that's 450 rounds, not a single fucking break. That was badass. Your marker's ready to go. You know you can trust me with your rebuild. Check us out on Instagram and YouTube at Custom Paintball Markers, and don't forget, we're always built for battle. Fuck yeah.